All right, this is a sports camera. You can utilize this when you're walking if you want to have it like a body cam. So welcome to the unboxing. This is made in China, and there we go. All right, this is your cute little camera here, and you can see it's got some access points here. And then we have some sort of a USB here where you can transfer your files. This is for a lanyard, and you'll see that the camera, actually the back of the camera will go right on that lanyard if you like. And then we have a couple of charging cords. And then here we have, you can put your camera in here and clip it onto your shirt if you like. All right, well that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this camera. It does have instructions in here in case you're interested. They come in multiple languages, including German. All right.